Hello everyone and welcome to this session. In this tutorial I will show you how to install the necessary libraries and execute the example code that I have given to you. So step 1, open Anaconda prompt. So I have already opened. After opening, we will install the libraries with the command that I have already given to you. So that is pip install opencv-python python. So you can install all the libraries in any sequence. Either you can install opencv first, then Keras, then tensorflow, or you can install tensorflow, then Keras, then opencv. It's all up to you. So it is downloading. When it is finished downloading, I will show you how to install tensorflow and Keras. Initially I am using the Anaconda on the Windows. So if you want to on a longer run, you can use Anaconda on the Linux. So it's all up to you whether you want to use Windows or you want to use Linux. So in order to verify whether the package is successfully installed or not, we will activate the Python terminal. Initially it is when you open your Anaconda prompt, it will show here at base. At my system it is showing my environment, but on all the system it will show you the base environment. See, the rest is same. So let me verify whether it is installed or not. So in order to activate the Python, simply enter Python and hit enter. Import cv2. If there is no error, it means opencv is successfully installed. In order to exit the Python terminal, simply hit Ctrl Z and enter. Again, my environment or Conda environment is activated. So now I will run pip install TensorFlow. So it is approximately 500 MB, so it will take around 10 to 15 minutes depending upon the speed of your internet. After that, I will install the Keras and then open the Jupyter notebook in order to execute the code. And the most important part is when you execute the code, you will have approximately, when you open the code, you will have the data set in the Keras directory. And how to find the data set? Simply C drive, user, then your username, then .keras dataset, and this is the dataset that I have already downloaded. So let me minimize it and pause the video or fast forward, so it will take little bit less time. So the tensorflow is installed approximately just one or two steps remaining. After that we will install Keras and then move on toward the example code. The main part, that is approximately 500 MB, the rest is very small files. We will verify the installation of TensorFlow in the same way as we have verified the installation of OpenCV. So it will take about 3 to 4 minutes now to finish the installation. So the installation is complete. So in order to verify, open the Python terminal and import TensorFlow. So my mistake, import. What happened? So it is perfectly installed. Exit the Python terminal and install Keras. Install Keras. Requirement is already satisfied. Perfect. Now open my Anaconda and then I open my Jupyter notebook and execute the command. If there is any package is missing, it will show you. So open the Anaconda prompt and run pip space install space the name of package. So this is my Anaconda. Now remind me later and my env. And I have to install the Jupyter notebook. Initially it is not installed because I have changed my environment variable, so let me install it. When you download and install the Anaconda, it has pre-installed Jupyter and Spider. So I have changed a few settings, that's why I have to install the Jupyter again, because I have already installed all the packages on one variable, that is base variable. When I open the Anaconda prompt, it shows base, so I have already installed all the packages in base variable. No, in order to show you, that's why I created a new environment variable, so that I have to install all the packages from scratch. To give you an idea about the installation, do make sure you have a good and reliable internet connection, otherwise it will be causing few issues. Like a student sent me the screenshot that he's tried to install, but might be there is a reason that due to his bad internet connection it is not installing the libraries. So be sure the rest is absolutely perfect. So I have installed the Jupyter notebook simply I will launch it. Here it is opened. So navigate to the directory where you have put the code. I have all the code on the desktop. So desktop, and where you have put the code is transfer learning Keras main. This one resonant 50, simply open it. This is the active cell. When I run this, initially it has a static, it means it is continue. So I have to wait. So it is show that no module name matplotlib. So what I have to do, I have to install pip install matplotlib. And I think I have to install the PIL package. So I will run the command again. It will show if there is anything is missing. So that's how you run the command. Oh, perfect, it is already installing the pillow library. So I don't think so we have to install it now. Run. Absolutely perfect. It is showing the static, it means it is in the process mode. Run. So this is second step. As I have already downloaded, so it will not take much time, or might be. Perfect. Same, and so when I will run the training part. It will show me star, it means it is in the process of execution. So where I am on the this part, I think. Run. Now I will compile, and now I will execute the fit means train. So it is showing the static, it means it is in process phase. When you will run the training phase, you can also verify from the processor. How? Simply press Ctrl Shift Escape. It will open the task manager. Here you can check that it is approximately using 100% my CPU and approximately 10 to 12 GB of RAM. 90%. The clock is 4 gigahertz. So it is little bit overclocking. So after a few seconds, when this part is complete, it show the result. After that you run this command, it will show the graph, and this command, and this command, and perfect. So the rest of information is same, no need to worry about that. So that's it. I will stop the code here. In order to stop, you can simply go to kernel and interrupt. So it will stop the code. The rest of the code that you have run, it will be there, its output will be there. So whenever you click on the cell, that cell will be activated. That's it. If you have any query, you can ask me on the group or in the next session. Make sure you have run this example and go through the code briefly. For example, if you don't know what is this, simply search each and every possible command, so you have a better understanding of the code. That's it. Take care.